Today, we will learn some vocabulary related to technology. So let's get started. Say these words with your English voice. Mouse. Mouse. A mouse is a small piece of equipment connected to a computer that you move with your hand to control what the computer does. Keyboard. Keyboard. A keyboard is a set of keys that you press to use a computer. Design. Design. This is to make or draw plans for something. For example, clothes, buildings, or computer programs. Menu. Menu. This is a list that appears on a computer screen of the choices available in a computer program. Memory. Memory. Memory is the amount of information that can be stored on a computer or other electronic devices. Files. Files. This is a collection of information such as text, pictures, or computer programs stored together electronically with a single name. Speakers. Speakers. This is the part of a radio, CD player, computer, etc., which the sound comes out of.